Thank you for coming back to my channel for your stimulus check and stimulus package update. Please subscribe to my channel, leave your thumbs up, and leave your comments. And if you would, please share these videos out. It would help me a lot. Y'all, it's been several days now. I've been getting emails from people saying I need to cheer up. I need to be happy. I look so down. I am not down. I am cheered up. I can't wear a fake smile. There's only one other person on YouTube that I know wears a fake smile every day, and it's really nauseating. So that's not me. I am very happy. Okay. And the winner of the presidency is, who knows? It's up in the air. It's anybody's guess. Or at least at the time of recording this video, there is no winner yet. By the time it goes live, who knows what could happen? It's just that razor thin close. It could have happened by now. And it looks like Joe Biden will be the winner. Whether you like Joe Biden or not, if he wins, he will be the president. And I've said that before about President Trump. Whether you like him or not, he is the president at this moment. He does deserve your respect. And the same goes for Biden. If he wins, he deserves our respect. But y'all, absolutely nothing is going to change. It don't matter who is the president, who wins, nothing will change because the House and the Senate has not changed. They still need the approval from the House and the Senate before the president can do anything. We have learned over the past few months, with all the threats that President Trump has made, all the promises he's made and couldn't keep them, we have learned that the president has no power. His hands is tied until he gets the approval from the House and the Senate. He has to get approval from both sides. One side cannot do it without the other side. So therefore, it don't matter who is the president. Y'all, the House and the Senate remains the same. So nothing is going to change, nothing at all. Who's sitting in the Oval Office does not matter one bit. The president is only a figurehead. He has no domestic power at all. Domestic power lies in the fate of the House and the Senate. They're the ones that will help us or hurt us, whichever the case is. President Trump has said many times that he was going to pass all these executive orders to get us stimulus checks. He hadn't done it because he can't. The Fed says that they was going to issue these bank cards to get us stimulus checks. They hadn't done it because they can't. The problem solvers came riding into town saying that they was going to fix everything. They hadn't because they can't. They have to have approval from the Senate and Congress before they can do anything. So therefore, it does not matter if President Trump is sitting there or Joe Biden is sitting there. Nothing will change. I know a lot of people saying that we're going to turn into a socialist country if Joe Biden gets in office. I don't believe that's true because he still, before he can do anything, he has to get approval from the House and the Senate. He may get the approval from the House, but he won't get it from the Senate. It's the same as when Donald Trump was in there. He could get approval from the Senate, but not from the House. Same thing, y'all. Nothing will change. Mark my word. Nothing at all. Y'all, please watch the video that's popping up here now. Give me your thumbs up, please. Like this video, leave your comments, and subscribe to this channel. And we will get out of this. We have to pray to God for His guidance and His wisdom to help us through it. He will do it. I know He will. I love you all. Ciao.